Manipur situation is always good.
Yeah. Means like
And this buyer seller summit, global summit, it's really important because Manipur, if we see the location, it is at international border. So what are the opportunities? The eastern side of Manipur, that is Southeast Asia, that is nearer than the western side. So what I am looking at and what we are looking at in the industry department, that how to connect our entrepreneurs and industries in the Southeast Asia, because that is the nearest market which we are having. That is one of the important area we are looking at, and for that purpose certainly we need the modes of communication. And now, being the in charge of transport also, I am looking at international connectivity cargo services to the country, to other countries, because our associations, industry associations have demanded that. And I am seriously looking on these things, on these requirements. The second part, as the Honorable Governor has also mentioned in his remarks, that railways up to Imphal is likely to come very soon. Along with that, we are also trying to develop the logistic hub in Imphal, and on which we have already started working. We have our land, we have developed the DPR, and we have submitted it to Government of India for consideration, because logistics will be a very important requirement to make the product cost competitive.
Sir, Imphal Airport is also getting upgraded.
It is. That is what I have said, that Imphal Airport is already, ready with the cargo services. The cargo terminal has already been constructed, and now cargo to which place? So that is what I said, that the neighboring countries.
So do you think a route to Thailand and all should open?
That is what I am looking at, because the industry association have asked for the Thailand first, then maybe Bangladesh and other countries. That is another part. But insofar as the entrepreneur is concerned here and the business community is concerned here, what I see, your products, I just mention, it is handlooms going to be most important product of this area, handloom handicraft, agriculture based products. Then I am looking at the natural medicines and essential oils. This is going to be a great area. And then maybe biofuels from the bamboo. That is, we are focusing at present. So there are focused area on which we are looking at, and we are trying to bring the industries. We are trying to bring the industries even from the outside. Hopefully we will be successful. And we are trying to integrate the local industries in the supply chain, so that they also become partner in the whole industrial ecosystem. That is what we are visualizing at present. And the second important point, that we are also trying to develop industrial estate in each district. Already we are in 5-6 districts, we are already working, and 2 new industrial estates are likely to come up very soon. We are trying to finish it, actually complete it, and most likely they will be inaugurated. And we are trying to strengthen our local industries, because unless the local strength is there, no industrial ecosystem can be developed in any country. So the local industries, if we push them, we provide them the space, we provide them the common facility center, we provide them the warehousing, we provide them the marketing facilities, all these things at one place in the district. So that is what we are trying. So in each district, industrial estate, along with the worksheds, along with common facility center, with good machines, that is the government's job that we are looking at to do, and we will provide it to our local small entrepreneurs. Small entrepreneurs, जो हमारे जितने भी हमारे SHGs हैं, इनका हम कंसोर्टियम बना के that we will do. So in that way we are trying to develop the inner strength, because when the inner strength is there, the industries from outside certainly will look at our entrepreneurs, the business community. And this business summit it is a beginning, I must say, and because after the setbacks of last 2 years. Again, we have to restart as such. So we are trying to develop, we have to develop the confidence of the business community from other states of the country as well as from the neighboring nation. We have to develop that, confidence. We have to develop trust again, and we have to bring them back. So that is the thing which we have started now with this buyer-seller summit, and I hope we will be successful. And our, of course, here the space is for hardly 120, entrepreneurs. So, but it will be a kind of platform they will get, and the buyers from outside, they will look at our products, and we will also push them. And whatever the MOUs are required, we will be doing it. We will be facilitating it. And the final point I would say, there is an important need to strengthen the industry associations also here. That is what we are looking at, because industry associations are also very big. And now, after this event, I am looking at that. Why not they will be connected with the FICCI and or CII or like this, because they should also get exposed how these buyer-sellers summit are organized
across the world.
So that also is required for us.
So one point.
So the strengthening of industry association is also equally important, because they are going to be the backbone of the industrial setup in the state.
So one point, like you are also into transport, aviation sector. Like there was a connectivity between Imphal and Silchar and Imphal and Dimapur, which has been reduced to 1 day.
Don't worry, that we are taking care. We are taking care. Whatever the works which are pending or which could not be taken up because of various reasons, those will be certainly taken up. And today, even I am going to hold a meeting with all these stakeholders who are constructing the heliports and the helicopter companies with them.
No, there was a Udan flight, sir.
Udan flights. Udan flights, the issues, whatever are there, that we are looking at in the transport department, and we are trying to fill those gaps as quickly as possible, because these are the requirement to promote the industrial ecosystem in the state. It cannot, because for development of the industry, you require everything. It is mode of transport, it is means of communication, it is, entire setup, business setup. All these things are required.
Because our nearest market is Silchar and Dimapur.
The Silchar
connectivity.
And Silchar, Dimapur, Guwahati, and it is not. I am not looking at all these, states. Even I am going beyond it. I am going to Bangalore. I am going to, even Telangana. Recently, one, government organization, they have discussed with me. They want to do MOU with Manipur.
Okay.
So in that way, I would like to go. It is not. I am not limiting myself to Silchar or Guwahati. I am going beyond Delhi, expansion across the country, and the modification of or improvement as per the demand or the demand of the customers in those states. That is also essential.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Come, be a part of the biggest movement of Northeast India.